Mission Innovation. It is the initiative of 24 countries in the 21 Conference of Party meetings at Paris. What is the main idea behind this? That the clean energy, there should be innovation in clean energy, so that clean energy should be affordable widely. India is one of the 3 countries which have sown the seeds of mission innovation, as it is a term coined by Indian PM. Have a look at its aim. To accelerate innovation through research, development and demonstration. So deployment of technologies is not included in the scope of MI, just research, development and demonstration. And what are the principles? The member countries are committed to double the government funding on clean energy research and development over the 5 years. They should provide transparent and easily accessible information on their respective clean energy R&D efforts annually. So they should give all the information transparently annually. And what are the objectives of mission innovation? Increase public sector investment to a good level and work closely with private sector, so that private sector engagement can be increased and investment can be there. Enhance international engagement in programs on clean energy and research and development, and raise the awareness of the transformation potential of the innovation, that innovation can be there in the clean energy. There are 8 innovation challenges also, which are identified for the foundation of accelerating clean energy innovation. Have a look at the 8 innovation challenges. Before that, in 2016, Mission Innovation members came together to endorse 7 innovation challenges, and the 8 was added subsequently in 2018. And these 8 challenges are: first of all, smart grids. There should be smart grids. Second, off grid access to electricity. The people, the persons who doesn't have the access to electricity through the grids, they should have the off-grid access to electricity through deployment of clean renewable energy solutions. Third is carbon capture. Maximum carbon capture should be there, and almost near zero carbon emissions should be there from the power plants. Sustainable biofuels. Biofuels should be there, which should be sustainable. Converting sunlight. Sunlight should be converted very effectively, very efficiently. Clean energy materials. The materials which generate the clean energy should be explored. Affordable heating and cooling of buildings. There should be solutions for the low cost solutions to heat and cool the buildings. Renewable and clean hydrogen. There should be innovation for the deployment of hydrogen based technologies. So India is participating in all the 8 innovation challenges and is co-leading the 3 challenges, 1, 2 and 4. Have a look. Smart grids and off-grid access to electricity are the 2 challenges led by Department of Science and Technologies. And the other co-lead of these are China for the smart grid, and China and Italy for the smart grids, and France for the off-grid access to electricity. And third, sustainable biofuel challenge is led by Department of Science and Technologies along with China, Canada and Brazil. So India is also a member of steering committee of MI and is also a part of this. You need not remember for prelims.